Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is your weekly revision test. 50 most important MCQs from this week's topics, right? So keep a pen paper ready, write your score at the end. Let's begin. First topic is making of the Indian Constitution. Question number 1 is the Constituent Assembly of India was formed on the basis of recommendations of Cabinet Mission Plan, Cripps Mission, Mountbatten Plan, Simon Commission. Also, you can pause the video to answer. Okay. So the correct answer is Cabinet Mission Plan. Okay. Next one. The Constituent Assembly first met on 9 December 1946, 15 August 1947, 26 January 1950, 24 January 1950. So the correct answer is 9 December 1946. Next question. Who was the first temporary chairman or president of Constituent Assembly? Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Satchidananda Sinha, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So the right answer is Satchidananda Sinha. Okay. Next question. Who was elected as the permanent president of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B.R. Ambedkar, Vallabhbhai Patel. So the correct answer is your Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Okay. So who was elected as permanent president of the Constituent Assembly? So answer is B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Okay. Next question. Who was the chairman of drafting committee? Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B.R. Ambedkar, and Rajendra Prasad. So the correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay. Next question. The drafting committee of Constituent Assembly was set up on 29th August 1947, 15th August 1947, 26th November 1949, 9 December 1946. So the correct answer is 29th August 1947. Okay. Next question. The objective revolution was moved by B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Patel. So the correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. The Indian Constitution was adopted on 26 January 1950, 15th August 1947, 26 November 1949, or 24 January 1950. So the correct answer is 26 November 1949. Okay. Next question. The Constitution of India came into force on 15 August 1947, 26 January 1950, 26 November 1949, 9 December 1946. So the correct answer is 26 January 1950. Okay. The total time taken to frame the Indian Constitution was 2 years, 11 months, 18 days, 3 years, 2 years, or 4 years. So the correct answer is 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days. Right? Now our next topic is cell, the fundamental unit of life. Okay. Also, if you want explanation of these topics, you can refer my previous videos. Okay, one-liners. Question number 1. Who discovered cell? So, options are Robert Brown, Anton von Leeuwenhoek, Robert Hooke, and Schleiden. So the correct answer is Robert Hooke, right? So Robert Hooke discovered dead cell, and living cell was discovered by Anton von Leeuwenhoek, right? Remember it. Next question. Who discovered the nucleus in the cell? Robert Hooke, Robert Brown, Virchow, and Leeuwenhoek. So the correct answer is Robert Brown. Okay. Next question. Cell theory was proposed by Darwin and Lamarck, Schleiden and Swan, Watson and Crick, Hooke and Brown. So the correct answer is cell theory was proposed by Schleiden and Swan. Matthias Schleiden and Theodore Swan, right? Next question. Who added that all cells arise from pre-existing cell to the cell theory, or omnicellular cellular, right? Okay. So who added that to the cell theory? किसने add किया था ये? Options are Swan, Schleiden, Rudolf Virchow, and Leeuwenhoek. So the correct answer is your Rudolf Virchow. Next question. The powerhouse of the cell is ribosome, lysosome, mitochondria, and Golgi body. So the powerhouse of the cell is mitochondria, right? Because ATP generation करता है, ठीक है? इसमें generation of ATP होता है, which is ATP is your energy currency. Okay, next one. Ribosomes are mainly responsible for respiration, photosynthesis, protein synthesis, and excretion. So the correct answer is protein synthesis, right? Ribosomes are responsible for protein synthesis. Next question. The site of photosynthesis in plant cell is. So the site for photosynthesis in plant cell, options are mitochondria, chloroplast, nucleus, vacuole. So the correct answer is chloroplast because it contains chlorophyll, right? Green pigment which helps in photosynthesis. Next question. Which cell organelle is called suicidal bag of the cell? Options are vacuole, lysosome, Golgi apparatus, ribosome. So the correct answer is lysosome, right? Next question. The cell wall in plants is made up of protein, lipid, cellulose, starch. So cell wall in plants is made up of, the answer is cellulose, right? And in fungi, it is made up of chitin, and in bacteria, it is made up of peptidoglycan, right? Next question. The control center of the cell is, options are mitochondria, nucleus, cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum. So the correct answer is nucleus. Nucleus is the principle of the cell, control center of the cell, or brain of the cell, right? Next question. Okay. Now questions will be from Indus Valley civilization. Okay. The Indus Valley civilization belonged to which age? Neolithic age, Chalcolithic age, Bronze age, or Iron age? So the correct answer is Bronze age. Okay. Next question. The Indus Valley civilization was first discovered in. Options are 1901, 1921, 1935, 1947. So correct answer is 1921. Okay. Next question. Harappa was discovered by. Options are R.D. Banerjee, John Marshall, Dayaram Sani, Alexander Cunningham. Correct answer is Dayaram Sani. Okay. Next question. Mohenjo-daro was discovered by R.D. Banerjee, Dayaram Sahni, John Marshall, or Wheeler. The correct answer is R.D. Banerjee. Okay. Next question. The Great Bath is located at Harappa, Lothal, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan. So the Great Bath is located at Mohenjo-daro, right? Next question. The dockyard of Indus Valley civilization was found at. Options are Dholavira, Lothal, Ropar, Banavali. Correct answer is Lothal. Okay. Next question. The script of Indus Valley civilization is deciphered, partially deciphered, not yet deciphered, or written in Sanskrit. So the correct answer is we are not able to decipher till now. Not yet deciphered. Okay. Next question. Which metal was not known to the people of Indus Valley civilization? So which metal was not known? So options are gold, silver, copper, iron. The correct answer is iron. Okay. Next question. The famous dancing girl statue was found at. Options are Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira, or Kalibangan. So correct answer is Mohenjo-daro, right? Next question. The Indus Valley civilization is also known as Vedic civilization, Harappan civilization, Mauryan civilization, or Gupta civilization. The correct answer is Harappan civilization because the first site discovered was Harappa. Okay. Our next topic is origin and evolution of Earth. Okay. So first question is, the most widely accepted theory regarding origin of Earth is Big Bang theory, nebular hypothesis, tidal theory, steady state theory. The correct answer is Big Bang theory. Okay. Sorry. It has been asked origin of Earth. So its answer is nebular hypothesis, and Big Bang theory is related to origin of universe. Okay. So please remember it. Next question. The Big Bang theory explained the origin of Earth, solar system, universe, or moon. So the correct answer is universe. Okay. Next question. According to nebular hypothesis, the solar system was formed from a solid mass, a huge rotating cloud of gas and dust, volcanic eruption, oceanic deposits. Okay, so the solar system, according to nebular hypothesis, was formed from. The correct answer is a huge rotating cloud of gas and dust known as nebula. Next question is, the Earth was formed approximately, options are 2.5 billion years ago, 3.5 billion years ago, 4.6 billion years ago, and 6 billion years ago. So the correct answer is 4.6 billion years ago, right? Next question. The oldest era in geological timescale is Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic, and Precambrian. So the correct answer is oldest era is Precambrian era. Okay, remember it. Next question. The first life forms on Earth were multicellular organisms, mammals, single-celled organisms, reptiles. So the first life forms were unicellular or single-celled organisms. Okay. Next question. The formation of Earth's atmosphere was mainly due to solar winds, volcanic outgassing, meteor shower, ocean current. So the correct answer is option number B, volcanic outgassing, right? Next question. The moon is believed to have formed due to nebular collapse, capture theory, giant impact theory, tidal forces. The correct answer is your giant impact theory. Remember it. It has been asked many times that giant impact theory is related to moon formation. Okay. Next question. The era known as Age of Reptiles is. Okay. So the correct answer is Mesozoic era, right? Next question. The most recent era in geological timescale is Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic, Archean. So most recent era is Cenozoic era in which we are living, right? Next topic is economic growth and development. Okay. First one is economic growth refers to, options are increase in population, increase in per capita income only, increase in real national income, decrease in poverty. So the correct answer is increase in real national income. Okay. Real, which is adjusted to inflation, right? So economic growth refers to increase in real national income. Second question. Economic growth is usually measured by HDI, GDP, Gini coefficient, CPI. So it is measured by GDP, gross domestic product. Okay. Next one. Real GDP is calculated at. So real GDP is calculated at. Options are current prices, wholesale prices, constant prices, international prices. Correct answer is real GDP is calculated at constant prices, and nominal GDP is calculated at current prices. Okay. Next question. Which of the following indicates economic growth of a country? So economic growth किससे indicate की जाती है, कैसे indicate होती है? तो options are rise in literacy rate indicate करता है कि economic growth हुई है, increase in real per capita income indicate करता है, decline in birth rate, या फिर increase in life expectancy. So the correct answer is your increase in real per capita income, right? Next question. Who developed the concept of GDP? Options are Adam Smith, J.M. Keynes, Simon Kuznets, Alfred Marshall. So the correct answer is Simon Kuznets. Okay. Next question. When GDP increases but population increases faster, per capita income will be. So per capita income is GDP upon my population. So if this is increasing faster, so per capita income will, options are increase, decrease, remain same, become 0. The answer is it will decrease. Okay. Next question. Nominal GDP differs from real GDP because it includes exports, exclude imports, it is measured at current prices, or it is measured at constant prices. So nominal GDP is measured at current prices, right? Next question. The sector contributing the highest share to India's GDP currently is agriculture, industry, services, mining. So highest share is of service sector, right? Next question. Gross national product is equal to GDP minus net factor income from abroad, GDP plus net factor income from abroad, GDP plus depreciation, GDP minus depreciation. Correct answer is GDP plus net factor income from abroad. Okay? This is the answer. Last question is net national product at market prices is GNP minus depreciation, GDP minus depreciation, GNP plus depreciation, GDP plus net factor income from abroad. So the correct answer is NNP is gross national product minus depreciation. Okay. Option number A. Okay. This one. One sec. This one. Right. Minus depreciation. We exclude the wear and tear from the real value, right? Is it clear? So now you calculate your score honestly. If you scored 15 or above, you're improving. If your score is between 10 to 14, revision is needed. If below 10, so don't worry, but consistency is required. Remember, selection doesn't depend on how much you study. आप कितना पढ़ते हो, कितने sources follow करते हो, इससे मैटर नहीं करता है. Okay? It depends कि आप कितना revise करते हो. ठीक है? So if this weekly revision helped you, then don't just watch and leave. Subscribe to the channel right now, because every week we do structured revision. Daily GK one-liners are uploaded for quick recall, and PYQ based MCQs are coming regularly, right? So, and if you are a serious aspirant, join our Telegram channel link. Link is in the description. Okay. So on Telegram, you will get daily one-liners, PDF notes, extra MCQs, and important exam updates. So, and everything is absolutely free. So thank you very much. We will meet in the next video, right? Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.